Hello guys, so I'm in Obowo and I'm heading to Umuahia. So this is a boundary community. It shares Obowo shares boundary with Umuahia. Immediately after you cross Obowo, you will get into the state capital of Abia State. You just get into Umuokpara. Umuokpara is the first place you will get to when you cross the Imo River. So soon we'll be getting to Umuahia and then we'll drive along the Onuimo to Abia Tower road construction that is almost completed. It's almost completed. The reconstruction and expansion of the Onuimo Abia Tower road is nearly complete. This project is a key part of His Excellency Governor Alex Oti's infrastructure initiative to modernize the gateway to Umuahia and improve the new Abia travel experience. The total length of this road is 5.95 kilometers. The road was previously, I think, a single lane or double lane road, but now it has undergone expansion, and when the road is finally ready, what you'll be seeing is a 4-lane dual carriageway. The construction company that handled this project is a reputable construction company that has been constructing roads in Abia State, outside Abia State. You go to different states in Nigeria, you see great jobs that they have done. They are known as Kremborg Construction Company Limited. Now, this road, some of the features, include the installation of solar-powered street lights. Solar-powered street lights. The median, and they're also painting the median of the road. This guy all the mere walkway. Walkway maka na arụcha ụzọ ọ ga-endekwa ka enwekwe walkway ebe ndị ji ụkwụ ga-eji nwụkwụ wee na-eje. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So as you can see, the road is now very, very okay. Traveling along this road now will be very, very easy, very smooth. There won't be, the issue of go slow like we are having before the road was, reconstructed. Mboza was, I think, a single lane or double lane type of go slow and wherever or not easy. But right now that the road has undergone expansion, movement here will now be very, very easy. The project was officially launched in early December 2024 with an 18-month completion target. So when is the expected completion? The project is anticipated to be handed over to the state government within the coming weeks. This is according to online sources. As of late April 2026, the road had already entered the second asphalt lane, that's wearing cost stage. So what are the expected impacts of this road construction? One of them is the traffic relief I talked about. It's aimed at ending heavy congestion often seen during festive seasons at the Abia Tower junction. Another one is safety, expected to significantly reduce road accidents through better lane separation and lighting. That street lighting for there. Now here's our economic growth. Now it's designed to boost the palm oil value chain, increase property values, and attract real estate investors to Umuahia's outskirts. Real estate are Umuahia. Apart from this road, the ring road, also the road constructions in Obakala and other places in Umuahia has brought in a lot of real estate companies. Now, Abia State, now from the real estate. It wasn't like this before. A good road, businesses now like Edina Abia. If you observed, the volume of business and in within Abia now, like before, also Umuahia, and the rest of them. Keta now was a Abos on everywhere. Now all business was a Meregawa, you understand? So from here, I'm heading straight to the first 6-lane road in Umuahia, which is the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. Now, along this particular road, now I came to the School of Nursing, Amachara, and the School of Nursing, Eba, ka or the inner choya or side dark or the once you just pass through the tower. If you are coming from Agui Ironsi Boulevard, you just pass the tower and go down small, you will get to the School of Nursing. So guys, kindly watch this video down to the end if you can. Like I said, I am heading to the first 6-lane road in Umuahia, which is the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. That was also constructed by the state government in the administration of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti. So why am I getting a vote? The governor has done exceedingly well trying to pagariala the state, trying to make Umuahia to have that state capital look, that state capital vibe. First, they need turtle buildings in Umuahia, modern turtle buildings in Umuahia, and we believe little by little Umuahia will get there. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video interesting, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video.